In what appears to be a trend that smacks just a little of incel ideology, A-Train is appearing in videos showing happy couples. If you've seen the first episode of The Boys, then you know exactly what is implied here. Of course, one would hope that those posting these memes don't seriously want to kill the women in them, as that's incredibly fucked up. However, jealousy toward couples is a pretty universal trait when one doesn't have a partner, and it's pretty clear that a lot of people go through the thought process of feeling angry when seeing two people happily in love with one another. The hype surrounding this meme seems to have started with a clip posted by Reddit user Mr. Muda himself, V3, on the 20th of July this year, but on that same day other accounts created the structure utilizing A-Train promo material. It got to the point where a news article was written questioning whether the boys ripped off SpongeBob, which of course is a hilarious idea and could have happened at least technically for the TV show adaptation of the comic, which debuted in 2019 as opposed to 2018 for the SpongeBob episode. On another note, we've already talked about why Homelander is an incredible villain and why The Boys does such a fantastic job of constructing interesting and complex characters. The show just wrapped up its third season, continuing to prove itself as a better storytelling medium than the comics, which is highly unusual. This is because The Boys understands its audience extremely well, creating real-world social media accounts for Vought International, the corporation that owns the official superheroes within the story, and uses it to transcend legacy media like television and run rampant online. The music video for A-Train's song Faster was posted last year by Vought, and footage from it is often paired with clips of the so-called superhero. Considering the fact that they acknowledge memes in the show, even if the age of the showrunners is obvious from the ancient formats posted, it's easy to imagine people posting clips of A-Train in exactly the same way they do in the real world as they would in The Boys. However, one can also witness this genre moving into other franchises, as the ever-popular Breaking Bad continues to hold strong in the chaotic shifting sands of digital culture. As such, all this attention toward The Boys and its fascinating characters leads to the question: will it enjoy a legacy like that of Breaking Bad and other popular TV shows in the far future, carried by the memes and trends surrounding it? Essentially, A-Train splitting up couples represents the anger felt by those who are jealous of happy partners, but these memes go further than that. They represent a television show that manages to keep its finger on the pulse of pop culture, knowingly transcending even the legacy media it is broadcasted from. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.